Hi, welcome to Creating a Resume. I am Mrs. Grabsky, and I am excited to talk to you today about putting together your resume. So let's get started. So first of all, I'd like all of you to log on with Clever and navigate to your HB button, your High School and Beyond plan. So that starts here with your Active Directory. After you've clicked on that, you're going to come to a screen like this. Click on your pancake up here on the right, scroll down till you find your HB, that orange icon for your High School and Beyond plan. When you get that far, go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to be at a screen that looks like this. So I want to give you a quick tip on navigating. When you hit this screen, always click on the completion status to the left of your screen there, right under Student Home. And the reason you want to do that is it brings you to this screen, which is a to-do list. It's really awesome because there's a green checklist every time you get something done. And so you know you don't have to do that. And so every year you can look at this, see what your progress says, know exactly what you've got to do to get completed to have your High School and Beyond plan done. So always start with completion status. Today, I'm going to have you click on Resume and open that up. We have a 3-part assignment for Resume today that I want to walk through that with you. And it's pretty straightforward. And resumes are so important. And one of the things that we're trying to do is when you graduate, or even before you graduate, we want you to walk out with a really professionally well laid out resume that's going to open any door for employment that you want. Because a really nice resume is going to open that up and people are going to take you serious and say, I want to talk to that person more, and they're going to bring you in for that interview. So putting together this first impression is really important. So we're going to go through 3 of the key parts of a resume today that you'll complete in your advisory period. First one is your personal details. So this is just, I really like this resume. I want to get in touch with you. Who are you? So put your name, your last name, and your email address are the most important elements here. Email address needs to be appropriate, a school email address, or a very professional personal email address if you want to use that, like a first name, last name at Gmail. Your address isn't required. However, I recommend that, especially if you think they're going to mail you stuff, to put a mailing address in there or a cell phone so that they can get in touch with you. So that'll be worth the first part, 5 points to put that in. Second part is going to be your objective. Now, this is why you want the job. And you're going to write this specifically for the job posting. So every time you do a resume and you're sending it out, you tweak and you change the subjective a little bit to always meet the job you're applying for and the overview they've put that. So for today, you could just put it for your dream job or a career that you're hoping to go into. And it just states why you want the job and why you're qualified. So something to like to obtain a position in sales and in a company that allows for growth. And that means, hey, I want to work with people. You could talk about teamwork, but it says, I see the position that I'm applying for is in sales, and I definitely want to move up. I'm a go-getter. So just a one sentence, and notice we do not use I in this sentence. So in our resume, we kind of ignore what we've learned about writing up to now, and we don't use a personal pronoun at all. We don't say I am looking for. You just say to gain employment. So stay away from using I. All right, the final step that you're going to do today is think about skills and qualifications. And this is what sets you apart and makes you qualified and unique for the job. So in skills, you're going to put like teamwork, courteous, works well in a team, answers the phone professionally. Think of all of those skills you have that you could bring to a job, bilingual, all of those things that bring you in. Now, qualifications add another level to skills, and it's where you can prove that you have some qualification, like a food handler card or another kind of certificate that you've earned in any of your classes here through maybe a precision exam where you've got an industry certificate, and you can put that there. So go ahead and take a minute to list those. We're going to pause the video now and stop that. When you come back, part 2 is going to talk about printing, uploading, and some other more professional resume options out there for you guys.